Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. For people that are looking for a way to stake their Ethereum, even though they can't afford to get into the whole 32 Ethereum to run their own validator for Ethereum 2.0, you can do it through Lido. Okay, now if you've been searching Lido, or you've come across my videos on YouTube, I've created this page, and on this page it's going to make it simple for you to get everything done. Okay, this video has been getting a lot of views, so people seem to like this video. So this video will show you myself staking my Ethereum on Lido, because I've done it, so you'll be able to watch it in this video. And as well, if you don't have a Nano Ledger, you can click this button here to get your own Nano Ledger X. Okay, I have a Nano Ledger X, so I don't know how it would work on the S. I don't know if it does work or if it doesn't work, but Nano Ledger X is what I have, and that's what I recommend. So Nano Ledger X is here. This is a hardware wallet for any cryptocurrencies. Now, for the Ledger Live, where this is Ledger Live, this is where I actually staked my Ethereum. I did it directly through the Ledger Live app. Okay, because Lido became available only a few days ago. So I staked my Ethereum here. So you can actually do that as well through Ledger Live. And I've left the link, a button here, so you can click this button, will take you directly to the correct Ledger Live. Okay, because you don't want to go to any site that's not the correct one, because you'll be risking yourself. Okay, if you don't have a ledger at all, but you still want to stake your Ethereum, you can do it through this link as well. So I've left this one here. Click here to stake your Ethereum on Lido without a Nano Ledger. So you can click on it and you'll be able to go through here. Okay, and also there's a button here for my full 7-figure Rolodex of programs. So if you click on here, you'll take you to my Rolodex of all the different programs that I recommend, that I'm earning funds from. I'm earning on these. You can see if there's anything here that is suitable for you and get started wherever you want. There's exchanges, ways to earn money, and all sorts. So that's in my Rolodex of programs. So create this page for you. Hopefully it will help you to streamline the process of getting started, and you'll be able to see everything on one page rather than just focusing on the YouTube descriptions. If you haven't got started, definitely do it. Well, I can't say definitely do it. It really is up to you whether you feel you want to stake using Lido. I do like it. I really like the project. I think it's a great project. At the moment, you can see it's 5.0% APR. What I love about this is the fact that when you stake your Ethereum, you're going to get stETH, and stETH is literally pegged to Ethereum. And you're going to be able to do whatever you want with this. You can swap it, you can stake it. So before I end this video, let me just show you another way that you can actually use your stETH to make yield, okay, to get interest. So this stETH that I will be earning now 5% APR, which will accrue in my staked amount every day. Okay, so this will go up every day, this staked amount. Now, oh, just hit the mic. So this will go up every day, and that's good. So say you want to stake, say you want to use some of this stETH to make more yield elsewhere, you can do. Okay, take into consideration gas fees and all of that. Because of Ethereum, we know that there's gas fees, there's transaction fees and all of that, so keep that in mind. But this is just to let you know what you can do with this stETH. Okay, so this stETH, you can, for example, let me give you an example. stETH, you are going to be able to earn yield on this elsewhere, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you go to anchor.lido.fi, okay, anchor.lido.fi, with the stETH that you have, you're going to be able to convert this to bETH, and I'm going to explain to you why you want to convert this to bETH. Okay, so your stETH you're going to be able to convert to bETH. So what you will do is you just take whatever amount of stETH you have, depends on whatever you want to convert to bETH. Say if it's 2, you put 2 here. You're going to need a Terra wallet address. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do that. The easiest thing to do, you need a Terra wallet address to do this. So what you need to do is go to let me show you. You need to go to Anchor protocol. Okay, when you go to Anchor protocol, it's going to show you like a dashboard, or it might just show you I'll tell you what to do here so that you can see what happened if you go to anchorprotocol.com. So if you go to anchorprotocol.com, okay, click on dashboard. Okay, now you're going to click on bond. Okay, and here's where you're going to be able to see where you can get your Terra wallet, just so that you know how to get a Terra wallet without fiddling around. So once you go to Anchor Protocol, you go to bond, because you're going to come here anyway later. Click on connect wallet and click on this one here, Terra Station. Okay, Terra Station extension. Okay, I've got it already here, you can see, and it's an extension that you're going to be able to get from the Chrome Web Store. So when you click on it, it's going to come onto your, when you add it to your Chrome Web Store, when you click on it, it's going to take you there anyway. Mine doesn't, because I'm already on it. Then when you add it, it's going to come onto your it's going to come onto your toolbar here, and you're going to be able to set up your wallet by doing this new wallet and setting it up. Okay, I'm not going to go through how to set it up, but just click on new wallet and set up your wallet. Once you've done that, you will take the wallet address from here, and you're going to put the wallet address, okay, you're going to put the wallet address into here. Yeah, put the wallet address into here, and you're going to connect the wallet. Okay, then you're going to swap. When you connect that wallet, obviously it's going to tell you the gas fee and all of that, and you're going to be able to now convert your stETH to bETH. So now you will have 2 bETH instead of 2 stETH. You have 2 bETH. Okay, now that 2 bETH that you have, it's not going to just like on Lido. On Lido it's different because it adds automatically every day to this. Okay, but on your bETH it's not going to do that. So on your bETH that you have, it's not going to add it to the bETH you have here. So it's going to remain 2 bETH here. But what's going to happen is that it's going to start to add the bETH, okay, to your Anchor. Okay, it's going to start to add the bETH to your Anchor because remember you added your Terra wallet here, so it's going to add that bETH accumulation every day. It's going to add it to your Terra wallet, which is going to be here. Okay, and what you're going to be able to do is claim that bETH. Okay, that bETH that's going to be adding, you're going to be able to claim it. The claimable rewards are going to be here. You're going to see it here, and you're going to be able to claim that bETH. But it's once you claim that bETH, okay, you're going to get it in UST, which is a dollar stable coin. Okay, so you're going to get it in UST. Now, this might sound a lot to you, but let me go through it again slowly. You get your stETH, you convert your stETH to bETH with a Terra wallet, which you're going to get through the Google Chrome Web Store. Like I said, you can get it here quickly by connecting wallet, okay, because you're going to need it anyway. Then once you've done that, once you've got your bETH, and you're already connected your wallet, you're going to start getting your rewards here. Okay, and your rewards that are here are going to be in UST, which is US dollar, but it's Anchor's version of UST. Okay, it's a stable coin, so you're going to get that here. Now with that UST that you earn, you can claim that UST. Okay, you can claim that UST, and you're going to see that UST value here. Okay, you're going to see that UST value right here. That's where you're going to see it. And with this UST value that you have, you're going to be able to stake it. Okay, so what you're really doing is you're getting your staked ETH, converting it to bETH. Yep, converting it to bETH, and then you're getting that bETH is going to be accumulating into UST, and then from that UST you're going to stake that UST for 19.46% APY, which is a bigger yield than just getting your 5% directly from Lido. Okay, so I know it may sound like a lot, but what I would say, this is just a way that Ethereum 2.0 you're going to be able to utilize that stETH, converting it to bETH, coming into Anchor, and you know, claiming your UST, then staking your UST. I know it may sound like a lot, but it's powerful, very powerful, when you realize that you can get 20% APY off of that UST. It's very, very powerful. Anyways, people, if you're brand new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. If you haven't got started at all, haven't got a nano ledger or a live, or you haven't done anything, or you're just looking for 7-figure Rolodex or programs, I'm going to leave the link to this so that you can get started, watch this video and get started quickly. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. I know it sounds like a lot, but once you've done it once or twice, it should be fine. Keep in mind that the gas fees are there. Also keep in mind that there's risks in all you do with regards to this. You just have to manage your risk, but I believe that this is very good, and I've spent about 6 months doing my due diligence on Lido, and it's a great platform where you can stake your ETH and start to earn rewards instead of having 32 ETH, which is about $105,000, in order to run a validator to start earning staking rewards from your ETH2. If you don't want to wait until ETH2 launches and you want to start staking your Ethereum today, this is a great option. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.